ating mga latest update at mga naging ganap nitong mga nakaraan lamang ng SB19 sa Tokyo, Japan. Siyempre, bago ang nasabing nga pong concert, mayroon silang meet and greet na talaga namang dinagsa ng mga OFW na 18 doon at may mga locals. Ibig sabihin, may mga Japanese silang supporters. Well, ibinahagi din ito ng GMA News, ang ever-supportive na network. P-Pop Kings SB19 held their first ever CD signing event in Japan. The event was a huge success thanks to everyone warm welcome. Tower Records Shibuya becomes the group new sanctuary, Sony Music Japan said on X post on X. SB19 released the physical CD of their Simula at Wakas EP this month in the country. Samantala, nakakatuwa at maraming ang fans ang sobrang nasiyahan matapos makita ang SB19 at ang Psychic Fever sa iisang frame. Anila, oh, you meet again with Philip but this time with the whole SB19. Can we expect a collab soon? Wiza, Ken in one frame, Moreno Kings. OMG, been waiting for this. A collab please. A collab when? I'm patiently waiting for your collab. Say pa ng mga fans, wow, thank you Psychic Fever. We love SB19 so much. Looking forward to your collab. Collab. Will you be watching SB19's Connect their concert in Tokyo? Hoping for a collab during the con. Wow, I hope you are all there in SB19 Tokyo concert. Well, siguro, hindi lang sinasabi ito ng SB19 pero malay natin na isa sa guest nila doon ay ang Psychic Fever. Kung saan nakakatuwa dahil hawak-hawak pa nila ang physical CD ng SB19 na for sure ay may sign din ng Mahalima. Sabi nga ni Roslyn Pineda, ang Sony Music or ang nasabi nga pong ninang Sony, not only 18 and casuals will get to see the show tomorrow but also some of the J-Pop's acts. Don't miss the chance. Now or never, last day to secure those Simula at Wakas World Tour Tokyo tickets. At talaga namang napaka-supportive ng ninang Sony Music dahil panay post nga ito at update sa mga ganap ng SB19 sa Japan. Mula naman sa Asian Enquirer, Pablo, the leader of SB19, is not only the group's frontman but also their primary songwriter and producer. He has crafted many of their biggest hits including Go Up, What, and Mapa. His work blends Filipino identity with global pop influences, giving SB19 a distinct sound that resonates with fans worldwide. Pablo's lyrical depth often reflects themes of resilience, family, and national pride. His role as producer has been key in elevating SB19 from a local act to international recognition. For fans, Pablo represents both creative leaders and the leadership and the heart of SB19's artistry. Sa ibang update naman, SB19 hit single Gento has become an anthem of empowerment and self-belief. The song blends catchy beats with lyrics that highlight perseverance and personal growth. It still comes from the Filipino word ginto, meaning gold, symbolizing value and excellence. The track showcases SB19's signature mix of Filipino identity with global pop influence. Fans embrace Gento not just a song, but as a movement that inspires ambition. Its success on charts and social media proves SB19 rising dominance in the P-pop scene. Samantala, ibinahagi din ng mga fans ang nasabi nga pong pagbibigay o artikulo na mababasa doon ng SB19 sa View Hong Kong. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.